Hello everyone, welcome to our Thoughts and Education program by College Dunia. I have with me Miss Gunjan Limani. I welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you.
She is Assistant Professor of Srimati Nilaben Manubai Padalia Pharmacy College and Department Pharmaceutical Chemistry and Pharmaceutical Quality Assurance. Okay, ma'am. Moving to our first question. How do you try to bring in practical approach towards subject and make it industry oriented?
In pharmacy, practical knowledge is must with the academic knowledge. So, academic knowledge is not enough. So, there are many subjects they have also practicals with theories also. So, the students they perform their practical. So, they enhance the practical knowledge, which is helpful them in the industries or in which field they want to do. So in my subject is related to chemistry analysis. So in chemistry analysis they perform the synthesis by doing analysis, by doing method development, like method development on UV, HPLC in our college, NM Padalia Pharmacy College, which is based on in Changodar in Ahmedabad. So in our college in our college we have a separate lab for this practical, like for UV HPLC, which is helpful for BPharm, MPharm and for PhD students also. We have UV Shimadzu 1900, so they can easily, which is software based, so they can easily develop their method, which is helpful for research work. So by doing synthesis, they can synthesize the product from different, so it will help them when they choose after their degree that they want to do in a industry level like R&D department. So this will help them and how to perform, like there are various departments in the industry in QC, QA, documentation. So through the academic we give knowledge about them, their documentation, how they want to do, and by practical means how they will perform in the industry. So each student have a individual mentality, so they have different interest of area. So in which department they want to do, they can learn from the practicals also. It will easy for them.
Yes, ma'am, totally agree with your viewpoint. Ma'am, as you have passed out from SMT NM Padalia College, ma'am, what was your vision when you first came to this college and how are you trying to achieve the same? Has it changed from past and how it has evolved?
As you know that I am from student to faculty in the same college. So as a student, I am like I have to face the exam. So I have to study about that. But as a faculty, I am preparing the students that they have faced to the exams, like so many exams. In difference is that when we are students, when I am student, then the also subjects are something different or syllabus is different. So we can teach from our teachers, and now I am a teacher, so I have to face so many challenges. Not only students have to face the challenges, as per faculty I am also facing the challenges. So we have to accept that challenges, like there are development in the syllabus, techniques, so we have to also learn from that also. What are the drugs available in market, which process it is done on the product. So we can teach the MPharm students, like MPharm students doing the development and validation of the any method or any drug. So we have to my vision is we have to prepare the students for their practical. They are performing, we preparing the students to face the new challenges. As they pass from the college, they will go for higher educations, or some of them go abroad, some of them interested in academic area, some of them interested in industrial area. So we are preparing the students like in all the field. All the students they are diamond for us. We always want every student of our college or any other colleges also, every student is a diamond. They have to shine in every particular field. So my vision is that every students can learn. We are available in the college also, so they can learn from us. There are so many facilities are available in college also, so many books available in library, different separate lab for analytical method, which we are they doing on UV, HPLC, like DISO. Everything is available in college, every facility is available. They have to pick that opportunity. So because after the college they have to face many problems, many they have also so many opportunities, so they have to deal with that opportunities. So we are trying that every student will teach in different manner. So after that college they will choose wisely in which particular area they have interest and they do well in that field.
Yes, absolutely, ma'am. Ma'am, moving to our next question, can you brief us about some of the laboratory facilities and instruments available at NM Padalia Pharmacy College?
So as per PCI approved our college, so we have the so many students which are helpful them in B.Pharm level, M.Pharm level and also PhD levels. Like after moving to higher education like M.Pharm and PhD, they need to develop the method of a new drug in a synthesized form or in a synthetic mixture or any compound. So or in also B.Pharm, we have a strength of 100 students. So we have the lab facilities also, and as per requirement of the students, everything is available like glasswares. There's a strength of 100, so everything is available in a manner. All the instruments which are helpful in a B.Pharm, M.Pharm level and PhD level which are available in our college, like pH meter, colorimeter, fluorimeter, HPLC, UV, then all the instruments which are help them to achieve their something. So all the facilities is available in the college. All the reagents are available, so they can easily perform the practicals. Like in M.Pharm, in our college 2 departments are available, QA and pharmaceutics. So in QA department, in the analytical department, which instruments are used, all the instruments are available. And in the Sutics departments, we have also separate instrument lab. So related to Sutics department, all the instruments are available there.
Ma'am, moving to our next question, how does the department or college enhance the skill of faculty and prepares them according to the industry standards?
Okay. As everyone knows that academic and industries are correlated. So the students will teach academic wise in the college and they have to perform in the industry level. They are doing job in the industry, so many students. So in college level we have to enhance our knowledge also, as we are faculties, but there are very new challenges every day we have to face. Like I already told, there are 100 of students in our college in every semester. So there are 100 of minds, there are 100 of thinking, 100 of doubts. They can come to us and they are asking questions, like in every year something change in syllabus, something change in technology, something change in development. So we have to learn first. We have to update it with the in a pharma field. We have to take knowledge from that, and we have to prepare us to challenge to facing the questions of the students. So we can take the challenges. We prepare ourselves by doing by attending conferences and by practical visit, by taking training of new development or a new instrument, what is different in that. So we can teach us first, we can clear that, and then we have to teach the students. So there are so many challenges and are there in day-to-day routine life.
Ma'am, moving to our last question, what valuable advice would you like to give to students for having a prosperous career ahead?
Okay. So for the career, they have to start the planning after 10th or 12th. So they have to choose the stream first after 10th or 12th. If they will choose the pharma field, there are so many huge industries, so many industries are available, so many opportunities are there after B.Pharm, after M.Pharm and after PhD. After graduation from PhD, they can go through the industry or in a higher education. And after PhD, there are also huge scope in industries and also in an academic level. So my advice is to do first, you have to clear that what you want to do in your life, in which field, and you choose the field of the pharmacy. Then you have to clear about that you want to go to the industry or you want to go to the academic level, or you also in pharma industry there are various departments like R&D department, production, QA, QC, documentation. So you have to choose that in which department you have to interest, so you will choose that. If you have a in industry related interest, then in academic also, in which subject you are doing good, in which subject you have done your masters, this is also based upon your interest, that you have in interest in ecology, so you have to do masters in ecology. Then you have to interest in analysis, so you have to do your masters in pharmaceutical quality assurance. There are different choices available for master's degree also. So you have to clear about your field and your career, then you have to choose wisely according to their your interest of area.
Okay, ma'am, that's all from my side. Ma'am, I thank you for sharing your valuable time and sharing your knowledge and experience with us. I am sure that this would help students coming to our website. Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks to you that you have given this opportunity to us, and our advice, if it will help to the students, then I am grateful that for that. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.